Excuse me, how much is that? Oh, yeah, it's for my boss. Oh, no, she never pays full price. Go ahead and put it in the bag. Thank you. Hey guys, so today we will be making this beautiful vanity. What you will need is some bulbs from Shindy. You can get those from Amazon. I will put the link in the bio. Very cheap, only 20 bucks. And then you'll need a mirror. I got this one from Goodwill for only $12.99. And you'll also need some 3M strips. So what you're gonna do first is clean your mirror, wipe it down really well, and then you can turn it over and start applying your 3M strips. Now you're gonna apply these one by one, and I wasn't really sure how many to apply to really get the weight right because I didn't really read the directions. I just kind of went for it. So I began to apply these on the back of my mirror, and then I kind of realized I need to not put them so close to the edges if I'm going to apply the lights and hide the cords. So then I started taking it off and reapplying here. God bless my heart. It was very hard to take off. So once you stick them on, make sure you're sticking them on where you want them before you try to move them, because honey, child, when I tell you, I almost broke a whole nail. So I put a lot of them, like 8. And then I probably went back and put a couple more, and then I attached the second part of the 3M strips. These things are so amazing. I freaking love them. So easy to hang things. It makes it just a million times easier because I didn't have a what do you call those things, stud finder to really nail the mirror to the wall. So this is so much easier. Then as you can see here, I began to just put my measuring tape on the side of my mirror. I had already spread out the bulbs on the mirror where I wanted them evenly. I think it comes with 10 bulbs, so I have 6 at the top, and then 4 on each side because each of the corners shares one. So I was measuring, and I think I set these about 7 inches apart on the side. And your mirror, of course, may be a totally different size, so I would just recommend just putting the measuring tape there and doing the best that you can to make them even. Some people don't put the measuring tape because they're like, listen girl, I just don't have time, I'm gonna just eyeball it. And I respect it, but I just didn't want to end up with my mirror looking absolutely crazy. So you see here, I'm taking off the stickers and actually having courage enough to actually stick them on the mirror. Now when you do this, please be careful because it is very hard to take it off. Like I think I tried to move that one and then I just gave up. This is what your mirror should look like when you're all done with that step. And then you're gonna turn your mirror over. I'm using my foot to hold my mirror. I'm just sitting down on my carpet in my bedroom. Don't judge me for all those clothes. I have way too many clothes I've had for so many years from thrift stores and things, and I just don't throw them away. I actually still wear all of them. Those don't fit in my closet there. So anyways, as you can see, that's neither here nor there. As you can see, I'm taking the tape and I am cutting it in half because I had the big kind of masking tape, and I am I'm using one piece of tape to attach 2 cords connected, and I'm putting it like that on purpose so that the cords are hidden behind the bulbs. Here's a closer look at the finished product once I'm done, and that's why I put the 3M strips a little bit away from the edges so that I can make sure that they're not interfering with my taped cords. So isn't that pretty? Yay! And then you see I put some extra 3M. I was just so scared that my mirror was gonna fall, and Lord knows I cannot deal with broken glass everywhere and my beautiful mirror destroyed. So I put some extra 3M strips on there, all paranoid, probably never gonna be able to get the mirror off the wall. But here I am hanging it up exactly where I wanted. I didn't use any measuring or leveler to make sure it was straight. God knows, I hope it is straight. It looks straight to me, so I just went for it and I began to press down as much as possible, everything, all the 3M strips, after taking off the second adhesive strip. And the way those work, of course, is you have the first half and the second half, and when you get ready to take the mirror off, you can just pull it and then you can detach your strips. It's super easy. And here I am plugging it up. Ooh, let there be light, honey. Yes, do a little dance, girl. Be proud of yourself. You are amazing for putting this vanity together. So shout out to you if you did it. And here is the final product. Yes, my makeup's gonna be on fleek. Do people even say on fleek anymore? It just felt right. So that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next
She just said
time.
bougie.